Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, red color, brown color, sky blue color, orange color, blue color, yellow color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for horse. I for iron. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rose. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R. Thanks for watching.